Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallows healthy. Traditional marshmallows are mostly sugar, offering little nutritional value. Our approach involves swapping out refined sugars for natural, low-glycemic options like allulose or erythritol. This significantly reduces the sugar load and calorie count, making them a much better treat. We'll also look at adding some beneficial ingredients to enhance their health profile. To make truly healthier marshmallows, ingredient selection is crucial. We'll use allulose or erythritol, which are natural sweeteners that don't spike blood sugar. Grass-fed gelatin is another key component, providing protein and supporting gut health. A good quality vanilla extract will elevate the flavor without adding extra sugar. These ingredients form the foundation of our healthier marshmallow recipe.
If you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more healthy recipe ideas. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. Imagine listening to your favorite tunes while whipping up these healthy treats. You can find the link for the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
The preparation process is straightforward. First, bloom your grass-fed gelatin in cold water for about 5 minutes. Next, gently heat your chosen sweetener like allulose with a small amount of water until it fully dissolves. Then, combine the bloomed gelatin with the warm sweetener mixture. Whip this vigorously until it transforms into a light, fluffy, and firm marshmallow cream, ready for setting. Once your marshmallow mixture is whipped, pour it into a lightly oiled and prepared pan. Let it set at room temperature for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, to achieve the perfect texture. After setting, cut them into your desired shapes. Dusting them with a sugar-free powdered sweetener, like powdered erythritol, will prevent them from sticking together and make them easier to handle.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.